We're on it, aren't we? Isn't this video? Maybe it's not.
Oh, yeah, it's recording. It's already zoomed in. I want to get one of the birds to fly at it again.
I'm just standing it, and it will barely go above my knee.
They step on it?
It might not even go above my knee.
I do want to look into what part of the animal that is.
On the ground?
Both bits. There's actually two parts. And he's gone?
Might be soon.
What's happening?
How do I stop the video? Do I press the shutter again? Oh, that's the... I didn't know that's where it was. You can take stills while the movie's playing. You can take stills while the movie's playing. Where'd it go?
It jumped to the other, like the thicker branch.